Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to capture leads with HubSpot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your HubSpot web application, which of course I have done right here. First thing is, how can you create an account on HubSpot? First, launch in browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type HubSpot.com. And after doing that, it's going to take you to HubSpot official website. In the website, go ahead and click on the Get CRM for Free button in the top right corner of your screen to either sign in using existing account or to create a new account. Now, after going through the process, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple more features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's stat, which is how to capture leads with HubSpot CRM. Now, there are different ways to go about it. I'm just going to walk you through the process, and I'm just going to take you while I'm walking you through the process. I'm just going to show you how you can create those step-by-step processes to create leads with HubSpot CRM. So now HubSpot is a fantastic lead capture software. All right, so you can use HubSpot forms to capture leads and sync them automatically with your CRM to drive your business forward. Now, the first step that we're going to have to take is to capture and nurture leads using forms. So use a simple drag and drop editor to create forms that collect the important information your team needs. Then use HubSpot CRM to organize all data from your interactions. Now you can create segmented lists for targeting your marketing newsletters and score leads to sales. So sales can prioritize their outreach. Now first, how can you create the form? I'm going to head over to HubSpot. So from here, you're going to get to sales. And once you get to sales, go ahead and click on, all right, come in. So click on marketing, right? So click on the marketing tabs, and once you click on the marketing tab, go ahead and click on forms. I'm just going to show you how to quickly create that, and I'm going to jump into the next step. So once you click on forms, it's going to take you to the forms window. So from here, go ahead and click on create form, and once you click on this create form button, you'll now be able to follow through the step-by-step processes to create your own form. Now you can click on analyze to analyze your form. So forms are actually a great way. All right, so forms are actually a great way for collecting important information that your team needs from your customers. All right, so you can even HubSpot can help you analyze all your data from interactions. So once you click on the analysis window, you can be able to analyze the form to know how many people got the form, how many people of course filled out the form. So you have this analysis window where you can get aggregated forms data, total form submission overviews, all forms. You can get all the data here from all your forms. So that's the first step. The next step is to so you can unify your lead capture data. So HubSpot lead capture software automatically funnels all your data into your CRM where all customer facing teams can access it and your marketing team can use it to power other campaigns. So it means you can head over to the, what's it called? After forms, you can head over to the contact tab at the top corner and then go ahead and click on contact. Also click on contact, you'll now be able to manage or to supervise and monitor all the activities going on within your contact list. So you can head over here and select any of your contacts. Let's say this is the first person in my contact list. I can click on that and it's going to take me to the activities window where I can now, of course, supervise the activities that are carried out there. So head over here to click on activities. And once you click on activities, you are going to see all the activities that are carried out within the contact. Now you can do that for every other contact to see what exactly is going on and how you can definitely capture your leads. So this is the activity tab, so you can find all the activities that are actually done in here. So you can just monitor the activity of your client. To even generate more leads, go ahead and click on this email option, right? So click on email option for you to create an email and send an email to your customer. Now I'm going to show you, of course, a bulk way to send emails. So that is one of the ways. That's the second way. So then the other way is to segment and grow your database. All right. So this is through the use of lists. Now create a list, right? Use forms to collect and organize your data. We've done that. And then you can create segmented lists to target specific customer groups and then send them relevant newsletters and marketing content. How do you create lists? Head over to contact from the top corner and then go ahead and click on list. Now, once you click on list, it's going to take you through a process where you can now create a list based on segmented groups. Now, once you have created your list and organize your contact into that specific list, you will now be able to send emails to them. So once you follow the step, it's self-explanatory. Go ahead and click on create list option right here at the top right corner and follow through the step-by-step processes to create your list based on the content of your form. Now, after creating your list, you'll be able to send them newsletters and marketing content. That's definitely going to help you, of course, generate leads. So the next step is score and prioritize your leads. All right, so HubSpot can actually help you prioritize your leads. All right, so the next one is follow up with leads. Follow up with leads with compelling emails. Like I said, how can you even create an emails for your leads? So once you've created your leads, you can just of course create email for each of the leads. So I can even open this qualified leads as one of my lists that I have, segmented list, and you're going to see, all right, you're going to see an option. So for this, you're going to see, so settings. Okay, that's where you can definitely use settings. So I can head over to the activity tab here, and you see the activities that go on in here. Now for you to send emails, right, to any of these, for you to send emails to your list, you can go ahead back to the marketing tab and click on email. Now once you click on email, it's going to take you to the email window. Now follow through the on-screen prompts by clicking on create email option at the top right corner of that email window to create emails. And then from the email sessions, you'll be asked to select the people that you want to send these emails to, so you can choose your list, all right, to send an email. So click on this create email and follow through the on-screen prompt. It's self-explanatory, so you can just do that, all right, to send emails. So once you have the leads captured, use HubSpot email builder to create beautiful targeted marketing content to nurture them. All right, so this is what the email website, the email builder looks like. So just use that to send emails. So these are the steps that you can definitely follow through in HubSpot to generate leads, all right, to capture leads. So these are the step-by-step processes. Now I can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.